So welcome to my channel Visions Review. So in the previous video I already told you about this short review about webinar loop 2 by Technique Force. So today I'm going to tell about the complete review of webinar loop 2. What is its features, how it is works, and its pros and cons. Okay. So this is the exclusive review of webinar loop 2 on Visions Review. So you can check the screen that only for the friends of Visions Review. If you click on our bonus link and buy through the bonus link, then you will get huge bonuses of $3,000 bonuses for 100 buyers only. Okay, so 100 buyers. So let's come to the review part. So what is webinar loop 2? First I give some introduction about webinar loop 2. So if you want to sell online, good, then because online is the only way to sell right now, because already you know that COVID didn't cause a change, and it doesn't matter how dangerous the thing COVID is, but business has already moved online. You can't imagine. The only business that are still finding customers are those that have created a solid online marketing system. And what's the best system to sell online? If you answered is webinars, then you own in this game, because webinars are the most effective way to sell online, and that's actually the only way to grab anything that costs more than $50 or $100. So nowadays webinars are dominating internet marketing massively. Webinar marketing is every online marketing guru's favorites. If you are a coaching guy or an affiliate marketer or a business consultation, then webinar is the best way to promote your product and to sell your product to your attendees who attend your webinars. So today I proudly introduce you to the webinar loop 2, which is the best, which is the next fresh version of webinar, which is webinar loop 2. So if you enter without any prior experience and without even a product, so webinar loop 2 is a great product for you. You will be able to convert any video to a webinar. You can move to webinar loop and run automated and live webinars on a highly scalable and automated platform. Whether you are building a webinar for yourself or for your clients, webinar loop 2 brings you the best in market solution with lots of features and that get you more sales for every sessions. So to know more about products, features, how it works, and what is its pros and cons, so keep watching. Okay, and again warning, 100 for first 100 buyers I will give you the $3,000 bonuses, which I will explore about later. Okay, so only for the friends of Visions Review who are watching now, and you, and who take the action right now, only get the $3,000 bonuses just free of cost. Okay, so okay, so you can ever use other people from Fiverr and get them to your narration or presentations, and you can sell out, create in any video and turn it into a webinar. So webinar loop video training shows you everything step by step. Okay, so everything you step by step. So I will tell you pros and cons later. So I will tell you pros and cons just 3 or 4 minutes later. So first, what are the best features of webinar loop 2? It has full screen video experience, which makes your webinar richer, more lifelike. It has innovative sidebar engagement panel. you never seen before any webinar software. It has no hosting and it has live chat with your webinar attendees and automated webinar reminders on email or SMS, and it has personal branding or webinar pages. It has dozens of templates for webinar opting pages. It has multi-user support. It's breakthrough call to action system, which you can put call to action, that is buy now or get it now, something with the right side of your webinar loop to software. It has pre-recorded and simulated chat. It's build your own narrative. So webinar loop 2 has features that no other webinar software has. So some unique features I already told you, that is, it has call to action during webinar, it has info pop-ups, graphics, surveys, and it supports Facebook, Google retargeting. It's dozens of ready editable templates, and it's custom branding on sign-in page. It has email and SMS support. It has Zapier support. Okay, so all in the webinar loop 2 is a, it has unique features which is engagement sidebar. You can engage your attendees to the call to action, means get it now, buy now option to sell your product. Okay, so how do you use the software? So create your webinar first, then publish your sign up page and get paid. Just it is so simple and so effective for affiliate marketer, blogging or coaching guy. Okay, so what is my experience in using it and how using it? I have tried this software as a tester recently and going, and I will give you a already later a demo link in the description. Okay, so I'll share you about my opinion. So webinar loop 2 gives me absolute flexibility and power to have my webinar running in just a few minutes. After experiencing webinar loop, I can list some useful uses that has helped me a lot, are building an amazing list, creating automated webinar reminders through email and SMS, live webinars with infinite attendees. Besides that, webinar loop allows me to leave an simulated chat with full control over attendees. Okay. So now come to the pros and cons. So what is pros? Works on any device, either you have iOS, Windows or Mac. Okay, so it has fully cloud-based hosted messaging system. It works any niche, whatever you need you choose. 100% newbie friendly, easy to use software, fully customizable, nothing to configure, one time payment only, no monthly fees, multi-user support, automatic webinar recording. It supports Zapier. It supports Google and Facebook pixels. It's very easy to use, and it's dozens of ready-made templates. You can run live webinars and share your screen or camera, and it's free automation upgrade for 1 year. Okay, so cons, so far there is none. Honestly say there is none. So if you get it now through my bonuses pages link, you will get $3,000 extra bonuses free of cost for the first 100 buyers. Okay, so now come to the front end, and webinar 2 has one front end and 5 OTUs. So front end is webinar loop 2 pro, which is I will show you. Webinar loop 2 has two front end and 5 OTUs. Okay, so yeah, not this. Okay, okay. So webinar loop 2 pro is $97, and OTO 2 is webinar 2 agency, which is $127, webinar template pack, which is $27, cloud funnels pro, which is $67, Pursue app pro, which is $47. So Pursue app pro is a powerful cold email marketing software, you know about that, but you can search also. And cloud funnels pro, which you can build powerful landing pages, forms or funnels through it. Okay, and webinar template, it has over 30 ready-made templates for webinar loop sign up pages, and also the webinar loop to agency and webinar loop to pro, which is whose price is very low from the any software from the market. So now come to the bonuses. So so if you buy through my link, so you will get the webinar mastery. To successfully make money from webinars, you have to know about what works and what doesn't. Okay, so webinar phrase, next bonus, and the third bonus is tube inspector Jeet. So put your YouTube profits on fire with custom ads and options. And bonus 3 is rank math SEO, which is a popular SEO plugin in market that's are dominating in 2021 from 2029. So, and bonus number 5 is authority marketing, and bonus number 6 is WP's SEO link maker, means you can build your do follow no followings from there. And it says bonus number 7 is keyword gold mine G, the powerful application which will tell you which keywords are open for ranking on Google, so that you can grab them and build your list without paying ads. So total 7 bonuses, around $3,000 bonuses, just free of cost for 100 user if you take the action now. So get it now. And if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for the next review. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.